I hope all of you are fine. So, in this video, we are going to discuss what is artificial intelligence, as our channel is about artificial intelligence. So, here is an article of IBM. IBM is a multi-billion company. So, the company article discuss in detail what is artificial intelligence. While a number of definitions of artificial intelligence have surfaced over the last 2 decades, John McCarthy offers the following definition in 2004 paper. Here is a PDF link attached. It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially intelligent computer program. It is related to the similar task of using computer to understand human intelligence, but AI does not have to confine itself to method that's or biological observable. However, decades before this definition, the birth of artificial intelligence conservation was denoted by Alan Turing's seminal work Computing Machinery and Intelligence, which was published in 1915. This paper, Turing, often referred to as the father of computer science, asks the following question: can machine think? From there, he offers a test, no family known as Turing test, where a human integrator would try to distinguish between a computer and a human text response. While this test has undergone much scrutiny since its published, it remains an important part of the history of AI as well as an ongoing concept within philosophy as it utilizes ideas around linguistics. The same test in his speech by the Elon Musk, he said that AI cannot take over humans because he cannot think. But here is a Turing test by Alan Turing in 1950. Stuart Russell and Peter Noving then pursued to publish Artificial Intelligence, a modern approach, becoming one of the leading textbooks in the study of AI. In it, they believe into four potential goals or definition of AI, which differentiate computer system on the basis of rationality and thinking versus acting. Human approach like system that think like humans, system that act like human. Ideal approach, system that think rationally, system that act rationally. They cannot think like human or act like human, but they can think rationally and act rationally. So, Alan Turing definition would have fallen under the category of system that act like human. At its simplest form, artificial intelligence is a field which combines computer sciences and robust data to enable problem solving. It also encompasses subfields of machine learning and deep learning, which are frequently mentioned in conjunction with artificial intelligence. These disciplines are comprised of AI algorithms which seek to create expert systems which make prediction or classification based on input data. Over the year, artificial intelligence has gone through many cycles of hype, but even to skeptics, the release of OpenAI ChatGPT seems to mark a turning point. The last generative AI loomed this large. The breakthrough were in computer vision, but no, the leap forward is in natural language processing. And it is not just language. Generative models can also learn the grammar of software code, molecules, natural images, and a variety of other data types. The application for these technologies are growing very every day, and we are just starting to explore the possibility. But as the hype around the use of AI in business takes off, conservation around ethics become critically important. To read more on where IBM stand within the conservation around AI ethics, read more here. So, how to build responsible AI at scale? Type of artificial intelligence: weak AI versus strong AI. What is called weak AI? Weak AI is also called as narrow AI or artificial narrow intelligence (ANI). Is AI trained and focused to perform specific tasks? Weak AI drives most of the AI that surround us today. Narrow might be a more accurate descriptor for this type of AI as it is anything but weak. It enables some very robust applications such as Apple Siri, Amazon Alexa, IBM Watson, and autonomous vehicle. Strong AI is made up of artificial general intelligence and artificial superintelligence. Artificial general intelligence or general AI is theoretical form of AI where a machine would have an intelligence equated to human. It would have a self-aware consciousness that has the ability to solve problems, learn, and plan for the future. And artificial superintelligence (ASI), also known as superintelligence, would surpass the intelligence and ability of the human brain. Oh, artificial superintelligence would surpass the intelligence and ability of human brain. While strong AI is still entirely theoretical with no practical example in use today, but there is a hypothetical, you can say, uh, theory that artificial superintelligence would surpass humans in its ability to think, in its ability to act, and its intelligence. That does not mean AI researchers are not also exploring its development. In the meantime, the best example of artificial superintelligence might be from science fiction movies such as HAL, the Superhuman Rogue Computer Assistant in 2001, A Space Odyssey. So when the new artificial superintelligence in the market as the ChatGPT explored this field, there would be many thinking about the pros and cons of this technology because if it can compete human, so as the great author which wrote the book Sapiens says we are at the extinct, humans species at the extent of distinction because AI would take over it. So, what is your opinion regarding that? Tell me in comment and like, share, and subscribe the channel. I hope you will like it.